So at Crossfield Excalibur, we have a design department for designing tooling and fabricated components. We have a metalwork fabrication department that does sheet metal tooling for rotational moulding and general fabrication work. And then we have a powder coating division as well.
Excalibur, a fabrication company within Bury. They're a really lovely family-run company that are really receptive to any support that the business growth hub or Bury Council offer, and they're always really supportive at events.
So the kind of support we've received from the growth company is carbon efficiencies. So we've got new boilers within the company. We've had an upgrade to our computer systems to make us more efficient. And we've also looked at lean manufacturing and looked for efficiencies and helped us gain some efficiencies within those processes. Absolutely amazing assistance.